Hello, you will learn today about the virus, and the topic is actually the virus and the worms now, but today we will learn about the topic is the virus. The virus is just a self-replications program. It's produce the codes and just altered to a different executable file, or it is just bind with this other executables file. So virus is basically self-replications program is developed by, or it is a program by this programmer. So basically is the logic. It's a logical program. Basically it's a design for mostly on the destructive purpose, like deleting the files. The virus is just utilize the more memory and hang up the system, slow down the system. Or it's a different virus have just a different type of the activity. Some just like virus are just infected the exe file, some virus are infected to the others just like com file, some virus is infected the documents file, some virus is just infected the boot file, mbr infected. So lot of activity is just done by a different type of the virus. So when your machines or you just infected through the virus is just going to replicate and is bind to the other program and infected to the other program. Now actually the virus is just alert the data, corrupt the files, effect on the mbr, change the boot sector place, or insert just the virus code over there, change the mbr place and just infected with this virus. So lot of activities are done by the different virus. So actually what are the virus stage? Mostly virus is done the activity related to a destructive. So actually after the designing or coded by this virus, one cycle for the virus is going to just design. The first stage is stages of the virus. Virus life. One is design. The programmer design or code the virus by using the language or by using a virus constructive kit, or lot of tool over there for creating the virus. You can create your own virus by using these utilities. So later in this chapter I will discuss our example of the virus making utility or the tools. So by help of this tool you can create your own virus, or as well as you can do the programming for making the virus. So I will also give the example for simple example for how you can make this virus. So basically the design means the creating a virus or just developing or coding the virus by the programmer using a language, either using a shell script or just VB script or C, C++ or Java or whatever this language is used by this programmer for this activity. Now the second stage is replication. After the designing or the coding the virus is put the virus for the executions Number 3 is launch, create the virus, and just after creation it will replicate it and launch it into the other program, and after that it will be just infect to the other programs or damage the other programs. After the replications, it's altered to the other into the other programs and it's modified. And after that it will be just using the detection tool, design, replicate, launch, and use the detection program for detecting the virus. And the 5th stage is incorporate, detect the virus, what type of the virus just coming in the market, or what type of the activities of this virus is just developed by this particular program. So antivirus developer are just checking this activity of this virus, so is incorporated by this antiviruses, so it will be just detect the new infected or launch virus in the market. Now it will be incorporated into the antivirus. And now the 6th stage is elimination. Elimination of the virus. After incorporating the new detections virus, it will be detected by this antivirus and eliminate it. It's just scan it or delete it from the infected machine by the viruses. So these are the virus stage: designing, replications, launching, detections, incorporation or eliminations. Now, how the viruses are working, how it's going to infect the particular system, so that see here about working of virus infection phase. So what are the actually virus infection phase? How to infect the particular file? Suppose that here is a exe file, is a clean file. It means this file is not infected with this virus. Now this is the exe file, and here is the file header, and IP, start of program, and end of the program. End of program. Now, is before infection. Before infection is after infection. Now, what happening? Here is exe file and just file header. See here, after on the IP, just is on the starter with the program, and after the infection of this exe file, it will be jump. Here is the IP and start of program and end of program. End of program. And the virus is jump toward like IP2 where virus jump just check the IP and go to starter of the program. Don't execute this program and it will be jump directly to the virus activity. So what of the virus code? It will be just execute this virus code activity, or it will be according to this program. It will not execute this file. So before the infection, it will execute the starter program and it will be execute all this exe file, but it's just check the IP and it will jump to the just virus on the virus and go to the start program. It will be jump to the directly on the virus. It is called the virus jumps, and it will become a exe is like a virus infected. Virus infected file. So this is the process for working the virus. Now, so lot of example for this, like suppose you have like file A, the example is file A, and other is suppose you have a file B, and it will be just before infected. There are like page 1, page 2, page like this, page 1, page 2, or whatever. So after the infection, it will be just fragment. It's a before fragment of this file, and after the fragmentations, the virus is just replace the place of this file, so that after the fragmentation, it will be become like file B, page 1, like here replace like file A, page 1 or 2, whatever. So it will be just fragment this file, change the place of this file. So these are the working phase or virus infections phase. How it will be infect the file? It will be just change the place of the file after the fragmentation through the virus. Now, why people create the computer virus? Basically, most is a part of the destructive. Just for destroying the data of the particular person, particular organizations, just like politically required for infection of the particular files or the data. So mostly the virus is used for a destructive activity. Now, so how you can check like indication of the virus attack? If your system infected with this your virus, it's a the use memory, use process. So it will be not a space or memory for executing your file. It's just alter the virus code into your file, just attacks on the MBR. So change the place of the MBR. Suppose example is like boot virus. Suppose here your boot file, here is the boot file. Just after infected of your boot, it will be also called, this type of virus is called the boot virus, or you can say it's a type of this cell virus. So mostly cell virus or boot virus are the similar, is mostly infected on the boot file. So it's just change the place after infected. Here is the virus and here is your boot file. So when you start your system, this virus is executed first, so that there is no chance for executing the boot side files. So this boot virus is just infecting the boot sector. You can also say the cell virus. Similarly, lot of type of the virus like encryption virus. The encryption virus is encrypted virus, or it will be infect your system, so it will be not easy task for the detections by help of this antivirus. So this is the very dangerous virus. Like other virus is like file extension virus. This type of virus is change the extension of the file. Or so lot of type of the virus has a different type of the activity. So now let's see how you can create a simple virus, or how you can use the utility or virus maker or virus maker constructive kit. By help of these tools or kit, you can make your own virus, or you can do programming as well as, or even you can use the tools and change the codes according to your requirement. or you can make your virus. So what are the way for creating the virus? Writing simple virus. Writing a simple virus. This is the example. Suppose that create bash file. You can put any name like game.bat, because the bat file is auto executions file. When you drop it, it will be execute automatically. So you can put with this a starter program, or as well as you can infect the system of the victims, or where you want to infect the particular system. You can send their by help of the email attachment, or you can use the anyway for carry and copy over there, or after that executing this bash file, it will be infected according to this code. So that simple. Open the notepad and write this code as the rate echo of Dell C drive win NT directory and system 32 star dot star, and use Dell C drive backslash win NT backslash star dot star. So make this file in the notepad and save the name with a game.bat, or you can put the any name, but mostly use the name, attractive name, so that the people is going to attract and execute it. And after saving the bash file, now convert using the utility back2.com. This utility can change bash file, the game batch file. After using the bat.to utility, you can change into, this is the bat file, into the game dot like com file, and this is the first process creation. Now convert the second terms, and third is attach with this mail and just send toward the victim machines or where you want to infect. So by help of this you can make a simple virus, or you can program yourself by using the any language, or you can use the shell programming, you can use the bash programming. By help of the shell programming, bash programming, you can create your own virus, or as well as you can use the language for creating the virus. Now this is a simple virus creation example. So according to this, you can create also complex virus by using the shell programming or bash programming. Now what are the tools for use for creating the virus? This is a very popular tool. So there are a lot of options. You can create a different type of the virus. If you want to create a CD-ROM open and close, now there is the option create and make a exe file automatically, and you have to only require the executions. Even mouse changes, delete the files, delete, just corrupt the operating system. So hundreds of the options over there you can create by help of this tools, like called a Terabyte virus maker. Other is JPS virus maker. By help of this utility, create the virus, execute it and see the effect of this virus, or as well as you can do your programming. There are also coming in the market, it's online available lot of tools for creating the virus, like batch virus maker or lot of tools over there. So you have learned about the virus terms, type of the viruses, how the viruses work, and what are the utility or tools you can use for making the virus, what are the codings method used for making the virus. And now, as being a security administrator, obviously you want to, your system or your organization system is not affected with this virus, so that you have to use the antivirus for countermeasure, update the signatures daily, day to day, so that, or use the good antivirus so that your systems or organization system is not make affected with this virus. Or you can also use the centralized virus system, like a lot of antivirus available in the market, like McAfee, Symantec, Casper. These are the very popular antivirus program. You can save by using this, by implementing the antivirus, so that your system is not infected, your file will be safe. So let's see, after the completion of all these terms, how you can countermeasure, how you can use this utility, what are the virus concept. Now let's see how you can make your own virus by using the constructive kit. Let's see the labs.